Hello students, today we will continue the third part of the chapter 1, The Fun They Had, from class 9, Beehive book. As yesterday we have read that Tommy finds an old book. The book is about school, which existed centuries ago. Margie is surprised that in the past, pupils had a person as a teacher instead of a mechanical teacher, as they have. It was strange that all the children of the same age learned the same thing and went to a school with other children. Margie wants to read more of the book. So, today we will continue our text. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches that each kid has to be taught differently. Margie said that as per her mother, a teacher had to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl is taught, so each kid had to be taught differently. Just the same, they did not do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I did not say I did not like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. But Margie wants to read more about schools. Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, called that it was time for her school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mamma. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, called that it was time for her school. But Margie said Tommy if she could read the book some more with him after school. Tommy walked away. Maybe he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means not showing much interest or enthusiasm. Carelessly, he walked away, whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. He had put the dusty old book under his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Margie's schoolroom was next to her bedroom, where the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for Margie. Her school was open every day except Saturday and Sunday. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they earned at regular hours. Margie's mother believed that girls learn better if they do it regularly. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. The mechanical teacher, the screen lit up and started, was going to teach lesson on the arithmetic. It was about the addition of proper fraction. Margie's had to put yesterday's homework in the proper slot too. The mechanical teacher never forgot to ask for the homework. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Margie put her work in the slot with a sigh. Actually, she was thinking about the old schools. They had them with her grandfather's grandfather was a kid. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard and sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. That they learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. All the kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. They sat together. At the end of the day, they learned the same thing so that they could help one another in their homework, and teachers were persons and the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1.5, and Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. And the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen the fractions of a question. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved the school in the old days. And she was thinking about the fun they had. And this was the end of the chapter. And Margie and Tommy, they were really fascinated when they came to know about a school like this. And that's why the title of this chapter, The Fun They Had. They here is great grandfather and the children in his age who used to go to school to a building to study with the other society and children and used to have so much fun, unlike their monotonous and boring routine now where they are being taught by emotionless robotic teachers, that is mechanical teachers. So thank you everyone, and you have to revise this chapter. And now the time for assignments. Now the time for assignments. Writing skill. Write on the given topic in about 350 words. Things I like about my school on A4 size sheet and or paper. And what do you understand by diary entry? Calculate how many years and months ahead from now Margie's diary entry is. And in the next section, speaking skill, prepare this topic. The school of future will have no books and teachers, and you can decide to speak for or against regarding this topic. Thank you.